To add an icon to your web page, locate the icon widget and drag and drop it onto the web page. Inside of the settings window, click on the icon to change the icon image. In this window, you will be able to change the size of the icon and change the icon color. You will also be able to add a link to the icon so that your website visitor will be directed to another page when the icon is clicked on. To add an icon section to your web page, locate the icon section widget and drag it onto the web page. In the Pick an Icon window, you will be able to change the icon image. To edit the section title and the text below it, select the text and use the menu settings above it to make the necessary edits. Once you have completed the icon section changes, then click Save.